Assalamu alaikum, greeting for the Mesopotamia marshland of southern Iraq.
œuvrent da pamadaran ko eu into ambula au semati au mena vi ama nongu eu ambula sana vi ambula au rawata me ina eu dengu ina dang bulan au num ina wai bulan au ania telanga ina kakana bulan mertengo eu into ambula au num esa senga eu bulan ko au sana numero tu ina eu ando ambula au na numero tu ina erang ngau awani singa ni mata eu sana ba aleng ka ayam bulan.
Is that nature and biodiversity is really everything that we want, and we get all our needs from nature, so it's very important for every one of us.
Malaki po yung role ng native trees sa atin kasi ito yung nagpo-protect sa atin against landslide, floods.
نحن شعارنا أخذنا شعار بالحمى إنه نحمي الطبيعة نحمي الإنسان. كيف بتصير؟ مجرد ما حمينا طيور من الصيد، كاثرت الطيور وبالتالي الطيور بتتغذى على الحشرات، بتاكل الحشرات من الأراضي الزراعية، وبالتالي بتخف حاجة المزارع لرش المبيدات الزراعية، وبالتالي بيطلع الغذاء صحي أكثر، وبينعكس هالشيء على صحة الإنسان. من هون نحن عم نتجه نوجه المزارعين شوي لحتى التخفيف من المواد الكيماوية لحتى نوصل بوقت من الأوقات إن شاء الله للزراعة العضوية اللي كل الناس عم تتجه لها السليمة صحيا.
Lori Wilson, you're caretaker for the Reed Lake Important Bird Area. Now you're a full-time nurse. Mm-hmm. You do this voluntarily.
I do.
What's your role as a caretaker?
Well, my role as a caretaker is to for sure make one annual visit to the lake and monitor and census the number of birds and possible threats to the lake, monitoring the status of the birds, noticing any changes, fluctuations, those kinds of things. We've been involved with linking communities for the last 10 years, and the project links Chaplin, Old Wives and Reed Lake here in Saskatchewan with the Great Salt Lake in Utah and Marismas Nationalis in Mexico. Just wonderful little projects that link all of our little communities together.
Kailangan mo na butasin yung mga soil. After nun, kailangan i-plant until the root. And then pinch the soil lang to close it back.
So tell me about one thing that you've done as a caretaker in the IBA that you're proud of.
I guess placing the bufflehead on a Sydney's coat of arms was one of our big things. It's the first time that a marine bird has been placed on a coat of arms anywhere in the world, and what it's done is it greatly enhances citizens' awareness of what we have locally in our waters.
Most of the people, maybe the site support group before it was started, these people or maybe the same community, they have been killing some birds, okay? The birds have been killed. Now we protect our species and now our birds are continuing. So that's what I can say for that.
We have worked since 2005 to protect and restore Iraqi rich biodiversity and cultural heritage.
При поддержке BirdLife уже 10 лет мы работаем по проекту «Кричетка». Вот. И 3 года почти я работаю в IBA при поддержке BirdLife. Мы сохраняем Междумаймо-Шукурскую систему озер для того, чтобы сохранить редкие виды птиц.
What we are doing as an organization, we are rehabilitating the forest, we are planting trees, and that is conserving the nature. And we are having school outreach program to the school education. We are teaching them on the importance of nature so that they can grow to be useful people and to be taking care of our nature.
we're weaving products like mats and carpets, and this also that are at a fair trade price, and this links very well with the farmers who own the grasslands or the fields.
Now we have come to realize that we can earn money without deforestation. Logging companies have approached us to cut our forests for money. But now, even without cutting our forests, we still earn money simply by preserving them.
They can do things. They have, and they can articulate the issues. We started small, as a small group, and now it's something that the self-support groups are enjoying. The Kejabi environment, many people, the members are really happy about it. We have had a lot of other communities from other places coming to visit us.
Es evidente que no se puede hacer conservación sin la participación local. Y aquí es importante rescatar el trabajo que realiza Aves y Conservación, como es el integrar a la gente a través del establecimiento de los grupos de apoyo local.
And the good thing is community-led. Yeah.
BirdLife realmente ha fundamentado una relación muy importante con las organizaciones no gubernamentales y organizaciones de base. Yo creo firmemente que es la forma más eficaz de avanzar dentro de los procesos de conservación.
Muy bien. ¿Algo más que quiera agregar?
No, yo diría reiterar digamos, esa alianza que hace BirdLife con las comunidades que también toca. Yo creo que BirdLife entiende y enfoca mucho en el desarrollo local de la gente que vive cerca de las áreas y de la reserva, y eso es sumamente importante porque yo creo el escenario de los hechos es donde ocurren los impactos negativos y bueno, y es donde hay que crear los impactos positivos también para tratar de manejar esta situación.
We send our greetings to the BirdLife World Congress.
Saludos allá en Canadá. Estamos luchando porque se mantenga y se recupere buena parte de lo que se ha destruido. Vamos a seguir trabajando en beneficio de los seres humanos de aquí de nuestra región y de todo el mundo. Una invitación a las instituciones, es el único interés que esta zona se mantenga como un paraíso, y si no lo es, que podamos volverlo a hacer.
Mobilize more resources to help conserve these important grasslands, and we call for improved partnership all over the world.
Ну, так как мы все живем на одной планете Земля, я бы хотел приложить и сам максимум усилий для сохранения всей природы и предложить, как говорится, всем и BirdLife, и АСБК, и всему Конгрессу приложить максимум усилий для сохранения нашей прекрасной природы.
We will approve that all local communities are going to benefit from that meeting.
Yes, my message is that continue the partnership of BirdLife. Just continue empowering the people, power to the people. Give the community the chance, and they will prove that they can do it.
Kahit gaano po kaliit yung participation natin will have a big impact para po sa ating kalikasan. So, magtulungan po tayo para ma-restore natin yung nasirang kagubatan natin.
I would encourage the world to work hand in hand with such an organization in attempting to save wildlife and our natural heritage. Nature really depends on the decision that we make for a better world.
We believe that a drop in the ocean is a drop. If there is no drop in the ocean, there is no drop at all. And we believe that the small contribution we are contributing from the Natewa-Tunlo IBA is a contribution to the global climate change that we are currently facing at the moment.